MyShell is natural products. It doesn't have any chemicals or parabens, it's gluten-free, vegan-friendly, so it's a really, really nice product itself.
I've been using MyShell products for about 2 to 3 years now. It literally works wonders after a day in London and lots of hard work and no sleep. It revives your skin to make you feel healthy and hydrated.
They have this super duper machine called Skin Scanner. It really entices the customers.
It takes a 6-point scan of your skin, so it'll give you an idea of marks on the skin, wrinkles on your skin, gives you a certain percentage on each section. We recommend products for each of those points.
I've had the skincare analysis done today by MyShell and I've been recommended some really nice products.
I think the whole range is great and thoroughly recommend it.
They have the best support team ever.
I absolutely love working for MyShell.
If you want to see results, then try MyShell.